In developing the platform technology that underpins Sutro's advantage, we spent many years developing the platform itself to be able to know that we can robustly and consistently produce proteins with really high quality. And because we do this in a very specialized way, we have our own manufacturing site as well for producing clinical trial material at the moment, and one day that will be the source of all the commercial supply too.
The San Carlos facility allows a rapid transition from molecules discovered by our research group and scaled up quickly to be able to then create a product that can be delivered to patients.
Here at Sutro Biopharma, we have about 150 employees, but that's still a small number of people to fight cancer. In order for us to be most effective in our mission, we really need to collaborate with leading companies in our industry, like Merck and like Celgene, in order to really leverage the expertise that they have and complement the work that we do here at Sutro Biopharma.